Sometimes it's difficult using a single shot tray intended for some air guns, as there just may not be enough room to get your fingers in. You may have a side wheel on your scope or this side, something that interferes with that. CARM makes single shot loaders that can be loaded from the right side or the left side. Choose which side you want, and they're easy to use. Take your single shot loader, insert it where your magazine would go, open the loading gate. You then insert your pellet. There's an O-ring in there that retains the pellet in place so it doesn't accidentally fall out. Close your loading gate, close your side lever, and fire away. When you finish, after you finish shooting, you can open the side lever, put another pellet in, go to your next shot. It's just that easy.